Hello, it's week 10 and this is the second part of your 2-week bonus videos from me, which is all about They Ask You Answer. So last week we talked about writing articles for your website, writing blog articles where you are answering your clients' questions. Okay, this week we're talking about how to help with that process. Okay, so first of all, there is a website called Answer the Public. So if you type in Answer the Public on Google now, you will see this website come up. So I'm going to do it with you and we're going to have a look at what I mean. Right, so you can see there that there's a search bar right at the very top and you can type in a topic. So let's say you've been speaking to your clients and they're always asking the same kind of questions, which you will find when you start to listen out for them. Let's say one of them is all about lip filler. So what are the questions people ask about lip filler? Well, we're going to type in here, lip filler. And then this website is going to tell us what are the most frequently asked questions about lip filler. So we're going to press search and let's see what it does. So the questions about lip filler, it's doing its thinking. We're waiting for it to give us a result. Okay, we'll ask you, do you want to sign up to get more results? But you can get, I think, 3 free ones per day on this. Okay, so as we scroll down, we will see that the bright orange dots are highly searched, the medium orange are average searches, and the very pale peachy coloured ones are low search terms. So here we go. The first one there is, are lip filler harem? Well, that doesn't actually make sense. So can lip filler migrate? There we go. We've got one here. So I'm looking at the orange ones. How lip fillers work, how lip filler is dissolved, how lip filler should look, how lip filler changes your face. Let's keep going. What lip filler is the best? So that's one of the best category that I talked about last week. What lip filler lasts the longest? What lip filler shape should I get? And as you go around, you will see all the questions that people are asking in Google all the time. And you can carry on scrolling down and look for the this versus that version. There you go. Once you have a topic, you can type the topic into this website, answerthepublic.com, and it will give you all the different search terms that people are putting into Google. And then simply, all you need to do now is create a question based on this search and then answer it in a blog article. So you would just simply write, what lip filler is best? ? And then answer the question in a blog article. Or you might choose, how lip filler is dissolved, or what could go wrong with lip filler. So if you answer all those questions and you create each one into a blog article, you are going to be answering the questions that your clients are asking on a daily basis. Okay, one super tip I've got for you is that if you go on ChatGPT and you copy and paste your article, so I'm going to show you now one that I've written, which was to do with the fat freeze. You can paste your article into ChatGPT and you can ask ChatGPT to refine and improve the article for you. So here we go, I typed in, I've written a blog article on how fat freeze works for my Medi-Spa. I am going to post it here, and then I just type in, please can you improve it for me? And then literally I copy and paste the article into the box like this. And there's my article. And then I press the return button. And then ChatGPT literally spits out a new article for me. And I then go on to ask it if it will give me a meta description and a title for SEO purposes. So it's basically helping me even further to create what's called the meta description, which is the bit that you see when you go on Google and you type something in and you get a headline and you get a little bit of the description. That's the meta description. So I've asked for a meta description to improve my chances of getting found by people asking for those search terms, and to improve the title too. So I will also ask it for tags, and I will add tags onto the article too. So that is my super duper tip for improving your writing. You might be able to write it all by yourself, but I definitely urge you to read the book by Marcus Sheridan, They Ask You Answer. Start writing those blog articles, put them on your website, and you will find that you will start to get found so much more readily as an expert for the things that you're writing about, and then that will improve your website hit rate your website will get pushed to more people and you will definitely get more clients. I have seen a massive difference since I've been writing those blog articles. So that's it for our 8-week roadmap plus 2. I hope it's been really beneficial to you. If you'd like any more help from me, I do offer group and one-to-one mentoring. So just get in touch with me by my email and I will give some options to you. My email's on the screen right now. Take care and thanks for listening. Bye-bye.